Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create an AMI from an existing instance. Okay, so basically first of all you should understand what is an AMI. So AMI is nothing but a snapshot of your EC2 instance. Okay, so basically what does it mean? So suppose your EC2 is having some mini softwares, like suppose for example Nginx is one software, then you have something Redis, then Java, some softwares are there. Okay, and you want to use these three softwares, means this full setup at multiple places. For example, you have three informants, like you have dev, you have sit, then you have uat, or suppose for example prod as well. Okay, so all these softwares you need. So by default how you will do, you will go and create one ec2 instance, and then you are going to use means install all those software. So that's a very hectic task. So instead of that, what you are going to do, you will create an ami image. Okay, ami image you are going to create, and the same image, with the same image you can launch multiple ec2 instances, and all the ec2 instances will be having the same configuration as this. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So first of all, already I have one instance running which is having an nginx service. Okay, nginx service is already running there. So if I go here and for dep2 I will see, if I open this public ip here, so we'll see welcome to nginx is coming up, right? So next what you have to do, you have to click on the actions, then image and templates, then you have to do create image, then give an image name. I will give an image name as ec2 with nginx, something like that I can give. And reboot instance is required, yeah, you can mark as it is. Then ebs size and all everything, it will create a snapshot of whatever EBS and all are there. The delete termination is already enabled by default. Like if you want to terminate, then it will delete your EBS volume as well. Okay, so creating a AMI. Okay, so here you can see AMIs. So easy to with Nginx. Okay, so this AMI has been created. So now the next task is how you will use this AMI to launch instance. Okay, so here you can see we are in AMIs here, images, under images, and then here is the option of launch instance from AMI. So we'll launch another instance with dep1 dep23 something. I'm just giving the name. You can select the key pair if required, otherwise you can leave as it is. And then also security group also you can allow http traffic. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Just launch an instance, and then we'll see. We will going to, okay, something happened, launch initiation failed. Why? Okay, AMI is still in pending, that's fine. Okay, 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 no issues. We'll go here in AMIs where we can see the status. Okay, here it's pending. Okay, that's fine, we'll wait until it's done. Till then I'll just pause the video. Okay, so AMI is available now. We will go and again try to launch an instance. So we can give a name instance from AMI. I will just select a key pair, allow http traffic. Okay, let's launch. So once it's done, then with that IP we should get what we should get. We should get the welcome to nginx page. Okay, so instance state is pending. So once state changes to running, then we'll see. Okay, now it's running, it's initializing, that's fine. We'll go here and we'll reload, and okay, I'm getting the same IP here. I'll just go here, and now I will do. Okay, so here you can see welcome to nginx. So I didn't install nginx now here anything. Whatever already pre-installed was there on that particular instance, same is being used here. Okay, So in this way, you can just create an AMI so that you will get the same structure, everything, all the softwares of that particular EC2 instance. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. And make sure to delete your EC2 instance and your AMI. So thank you, and see you in the next one.